How to check views on Instagram post. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first launch your Instagram and then go to your profile icon. Here, as you can see, you cannot view how many people viewed it, but see, you cannot see who viewed your reel or your post, but you can see how many views you got. So as you can see, I got 20 views in this post as I have made this account professional. I can see all the interactions over here. So simply convert your account to professional account, and if you want to find who viewed your Instagram post, you can also use the desktop version and sometimes it shows over there. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.